We did a true dual system all the way back, 2 1/4, all the way back, and it keeps going into, guess what, 6-inch tips, angle cut. There it is, there and there. Look at that center dump, not center dump, side dumps. Came out really nice. Dum dum dum. Look at all that piping. What do you guys think? I think it looks beautiful. Don't you think it looks beautiful? Yeah. Magnificent. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like it. 2003 Chevy Silverado lifted 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then we wires back out into a dual with 2 1/4 tailpipes. They're out of the mandrel bent pipes, so don't hold it against us, guys. Into 5-inch tips, angle cut. Sorry, guys. Angle cut 5-inch tips. It's gonna look and sound phenomenal. It's a beast of a truck. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There it is. Decibels, go ahead. 122, bro. That is crazy. Nice and hit. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Sound decibels 106, not too bad. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, those look good. What you guys think. Hope you like it. Make sure you step on it, get on it, okay? Okay. 99 Suburban. Yeah, we can take care of that for you. How long it'll take you to get here?